kaitoni ha waruthani kaitoni kubi kok kathar pithani haksal ha kotorni kaitoni seleng Tripura Hasteo Phai Sokphaikha Kenya ha kotorni pastor Edward Murila speaker engai Tripura hawa Phai Sokphaikha November chuko salmari cha salni fungjorawo mono agotala MBB birkhung kholawo lamsogoi naharka pastor mukumo debroma tei pastor jonmojoy Tripura Khumthuk bake borom rowei pastor Edward Murila tei bini logisongno agotala MBB airport lamsogoi nakha khoi hangko Dindoyal Sodar parawo Biblical Baptist Churches Ministry ni bekhak tei loaji mungbai First Annual Churches Conference panda songjajangna thangai tongo November chuko tei chi salmari o salnai romoi o pandawo speaker engai manjangna thangai tongo Kenya ha kotoni pastor Edward Murila cha salo bini logisongno tobi agotala MBB birkhung kholawo Phai Sokphaikha tabungno puila bad hani Tripura Hasteo Phai Sokpa mabai belekheno khasrangjaka pastor Edward Murila hayo hakitingai kaitoni kokpinai Kenya ha kotoni pastor Edward Murila tabuk Tripura hawa kaitoni kokpinani bagai Phai Sokphaikha sir, where are you coming from and why?
Okay, we are come. This is my wife called Alice, and I'm Edward Murila. I've come to see my friend here, Diboma Mukumu. I don't know if that is the spelling of
right,
it, right?
Right.
So we came from Kenya yesterday,
Which purpose?
Nairobi. We came for a conference which he is holding it in his church, and we would like to have a fellowship with him and take us around to see India in total.
Yes.
We have never been here, but we thank God. Yeah, this is the first time. We've just had India, but now we are in India. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Pastor,
Yes.
ni je boroma ojaga receive Phaiga airport boshabo te tamni bagai nang boroma receive nang bagai Phaiga.
Okay, belai hambai puila norok Swrangchati no sono oh my god coverage khlaima bagai engkai bo ani friend Edward Murila from Nairobi, Kenya. So sung Biblical Baptist Churches Ministry ni kaisa puila conference khaina thangtongo that is in Kalanpur Phai Gilatuli o jaga so o jaga bosini chief speaker engkai bosini chief speaker engkai bonotui iseng oro program khaitongo so amono
Halbsin bagai no conference.
so salnai hi ko tini 9 and 10 so yeah 9 10 amo hai
O conference ni nahar mungta mote lugron ta ko
so nahar mungkai sung to kaito ni kok di sana kaito to joto na hamjago joto na hamjagman bagai joto ni thani o kaito ni hamjag mong jate thangai puso guitung abo sung nayo eka khakrayo bo to berai sara world to no bo kaito ni kok sawo ka sung kaisa sujug tongo ambaga omoni nong ni median bisinti bang sawo je Gilatoli Kalanpur ganawo je kebo jodi manjak manko sujug no na halai mano opportunity kaito ni kok khana bagai amono
pastor ni sinumong
ani simungkai ang pastor Mukumo de Burma Biblical Baptist Churches Ministry as a president samung kai tongo omohai okay hambai thank you.